Are you paying too much for your investments? It's a question that can keep any investor up at night. And if you're using a robo-advisor like Betterment, you might be wondering, are Betterment's fees actually worth it? This isn't about whether Betterment is a good platform. It is. It's a leader in the space, known for its easy-to-use interface, automated investing, and goal-oriented tools. The real question is, what are you getting for the fees you pay? Let's break it down. First, there's the standard digital plan. For accounts with a balance of $20,000 or more, or if you set up a recurring deposit of at least $250 a month, you'll pay a 0.25% annual advisory fee. If you have less than that and no recurring deposits, it's a flat $4 a month. What do you get for that? Automated portfolio management, expert-built portfolios, automatic rebalancing, and a powerful tax loss harvesting tool. That last one is a big deal. Betterment's technology can automatically sell off losing investments to help offset capital gains, which can potentially save you more in taxes than you pay in fees. But what if you want more? That's where the premium plan comes in. For a 0.65% annual fee and a $100,000 minimum balance, you get unlimited access to certified financial planners. This is for investors with more complex situations who want personalized, in-depth advice. So, are these fees worth it? It depends on you. If you're a hands-off investor who wants a simple, automated way to build a diversified portfolio and take advantage of tax-saving strategies, the digital plan's fees are a small price to pay for the peace of mind and convenience. The value here is in the automation and the behavioral coaching, which keeps you from making emotional decisions. However, if you're a do-it-yourself investor with the time and knowledge to build and manage your own portfolio of low-cost ETFs, you could potentially do it for a lot less. The real trade-off is your time and effort versus Betterment's automated technology. The bottom line, Betterment isn't the cheapest option, but it offers a tremendous amount of value for the fees. It's an ideal solution for investors who want a streamlined, intelligent, and highly automated approach to their finances without paying for a traditional human advisor. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.